So, yeah, that's kind of a bummer. Alright, so for today I'm going to do this video on is it worth it? So I bought these cheap pieces off of Amazon with M colors for the 8-line grill. They're super cheap, they're like 15 bucks or something. And I'm going to see how they fit. The reviews are kind of sketchy, so I wanted to do a video on it and let you guys know, is it worth it to buy cheaper parts on Amazon for your 335 F30. Let's see. So let's open these up real fast. Check them out. So this is how they look. Start at, so here's the M grill. So we're gonna start that one. You can see, you're gonna skip this one because it won't fit here, but it'll fit right there. So I'm gonna follow the same pattern that's on my M door sills for this. I'm gonna start with the red. Okay, so they're not even the right shape. You can tell it off the bat. Alright, as you can see, that didn't work. So we're going to be returning it. I actually have a bunch of stuff, I don't know if you can see in the seat next to me, that I'm going to be returning. So that's a wrap on today. Looks like my sister's home. Nice. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. If you've got anything from Amazon that you like on your F30, let me know and I'll check it out and I'll try to buy it and put it on and see if it vibes. One thing I am really interested in doing is changing out all this here. So like all this paneling. Especially because it scratches so easy. If anything, it's just a nice way to preserve it. My car came with like the weird, yeah, you can see that, like this weird cell phone thing. I don't know, man. I'm gonna try to take that out probably today also and see if there's a better shot, see if I can fix that.